Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at Walgreens preview for the week of April the 23rd to the 29th. Excellent deals in this video. And just to let you know, this is a preview. All of the details of the flyer along with digital coupons show up on Sunday the 23rd. So treat this video as a preview. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, a lot of us started to receive these specific boosters found in your digital coupons folder. Couple rules. It's valid from the 23rd to the 26th, which is a Sunday to Wednesday. Kind of a weird split, but just pay attention to those dates. It's of a one-time use, and yes, it stacks with a paper booster. Your mileage may vary if you get these digital boosters. For the balance, use your debit, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash, store register reward, or IVCs, or it's going to mess it up. Now, just to talk really quickly, Easter did hit 80% on Tuesday. And it's supposed to be going right until, I think, May the 5th at 80%. Now, just to let you guys know, boom, there it is. If you're living in, like, say, New York City, where there's not a lot of room on the floor, I'm pretty sure things got boxed up, and they're trying to put out their summer merch right now. And just to show you a quick picture of some summer merch, because I thought this was kind of funny, look at this Mickey. He was full price at this one store, and he was like $14.99. I'm like, how is that summer merch? And they're like, it is. He's holding an Easter egg. What is that? I just kind of laughed because he should have been $1.49, but no such luck for this girl. Before we dive into the deals, if you could do me a huge kindness and like this video, take one quick second and like this video. It would really help me out to get this video not in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a quick second and like the video. Thanks so much, guys. So the first thing that we're going to look at, guys, is the best deals of the week. Now, this is the best deal of the week. $8 reward when you buy two for the various Gillette razors. I'm not seeing Venus, so that's why we're going with the men's razors. Now, it says the word razor system. What a razor system is when you actually have the razor with a couple extra, like the actual razor and the handle, and then two extra razors or one extra razor. That is a system, just to give you a visual. But this is the ladies, but the men's box is quite similar. Now, in this little rebate to get the $4 reward when you spend $20, valid right till the 29th of April. See how it says Venus but Gillette on the top? So I'm thinking it's also going to print for us for this deal. I have to load the following digital coupons. The first is a $5, and online I found this razor kit for $11.99. So it's a blade, a handle, and one blade. And then this $8 digital, and then we have a refill pack for $14.99. Now, to make this interesting, if you might have one of these digital boosters, definitely load it. And we're just going to walk through this deal. And you have to do this deal before Wednesday, as this expires on the 26th. So grabbing one of those kits and then a refill pack for $14.99, the total is $26.98. Have your booster loaded, $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. Subtracting the $13 in digitals that I showed you in the slides previous, you're paying $13.98 with your debit card, getting back an $8 register reward, a $4 register reward, and then $6 for the booster, making this free, plus a $4 money maker. And of course, double, triple check the prices on Sunday morning. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards with this deal. And we have another razor deal. So the Schick is going to be BOGO 50% off. $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. Very interesting. So we're obviously going to grab some disposable razors. Make sure that you have this friend loaded, which is a $4 off. On coupons.com, also make sure that you have this $4 rebate for a disposable razor by Schick. Grabbing two disposable razors on a BOGO 50% off. That's $13.18. Subtracting the one digital, you'll pay $9.18. Make that submission to coupons.com for $4 back. Get your $4 of Walgreens cash back for buying two of these. So it shakes it out to 59 cents per razor. That's a fabulous price point. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Guys, let's talk about this contentious issue. We're going to get a new 5 off of 3 digital coupon starting on Sunday. $7 for the old Spice or Olay, $5 reward when you buy 3. Now, this was working very well with IBOTTA. However, a lot of us were having issues with scanning barcodes for any products. So I can't stress it enough to double, triple check in store. Are the UPCs attaching to IBOTTA and what's going on? I know Old Spice was a lot of issues. But if this thing works itself out, because these IBOTTA rebates seem to still be there, this is the deal. Matchup, we're specifically looking at Olay because it's listed here to get an extra register reward, and this ends on the 29th of April. Grabbing 3 of the Olays, it's $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $16. Getting back a $5 register reward and a $4 register reward. $6 back from IBOTTA. I believe Age Defy, that one is attaching. It's $1 for the 3 or 33 cents per body wash, which is a fire price point. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not using a booster. And just to make a note, if you have register rewards from last week and you want to roll them in this deal, don't roll them because essentially a second set will not print for you. Let's remember not to only look in the body care body wash aisle, but to also look at the front of the store for these merchandise displays with the deals of the week, where all of the merchandise is right there. If you look at the top, we have both the Old Spice and Olay right there. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Dove, either the body wash or the bar soap for this scenario. So if you used this coupon last week, I'm not sure if a second one will show up on Sunday. Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But we also have this one if you didn't use it, which is a 5 off of 2 for the brick soap. So we're going to look at the two different deals. The first one, if you didn't use your 7 off 2 digital the week previous, grabbing 2 of them for 14, subtracting that magical coupon, you're paying 7, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, shaking it out, $3 for the 2 or $1.50. Per body wash. Now, if you want to grab 2 of the bar soap, I know a lot of you prefer bar soap. That would be at $9 a pop. 2 is $18. Subtracting the 5 off 2, you're paying $13. Getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per package of bar soap. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this deal in concert with a booster. And we're back to everybody's favorite Old Spice. 2 for $13, earn a $5 reward when you buy 3, and then we're going to get a 5 off 3 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. If you go over to IBOTTA, and yes, I scanned a couple at home, and they seem to be attaching for whatever reason. This is just $1 back for any Old Spice deodorant. It's not specific, but definitely scan and check the IBOTTA rebate app. Grabbing 3 of these, it's $19.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $14.50. Get back a $5 register reward and $3 back from IBOTTA, dropping it down to $6.50 for the 3 or $2.16 per deodorant. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Paper deal of the week is to get either the Scott's paper towel or toilet paper for $5. We have a $1.25 IVC, so your final price point would be $3.75. Also have more free toothpaste, and we're going to be looking for either the brushes or the paste at $3. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, $3 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the Oral-B's for $3 a pop, that's 6. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, essentially making it for free. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I was recently over at Rite Aid buying some Lysol wipes for one of those dumb bonus cash challenges. And it was like almost $7 for a 75 count of Lysol. But this week we have the Walgreens brand for $2.99, which is a really good price point. Having 2 of these, it would be $5.98. I would use a $5 register reward or $5 in Walgreens cash, whatever you may have. Pay 98 cents and call this a super smart deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Now, Mother's Day, they're gearing up towards Mother's Day. We have the Hallmark greeting card, a whole bunch of like lawn stuff and garden stuff for mom for the holiday. If you might have this coupon and it's an only for you, but I think most of us got like 5 if you're an avid shopper. You can't, some stores that are a lot smaller, you can't add it to a curbside order, unfortunately. You have to go in store, look for the $3.99 cards, and yes, it's attaching and it would drop it down to 99 cents. But I think at some stores where they have limited staff, the card option, they've actually gotten rid of it, I've noticed. Okay, guys, now we have 4 for $16 for the Gain laundry care products. So detergent, softener, dryer sheets, you name it. A lot of us have this $4 off of a P&G product. So that should work in theory with this detergent, along with this $6, like let's throw it into something. Putting 4 of these into a basket for $16, subtracting $10 in register rewards, you would pay $6. And if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1, and call this a very smart deal. Okay, let's take a quick look at some honorable mentions. First one is the Walgreens chips. They are 3 for $6, so that's $2 a bag. If that's a pretty sizable bag, I would stock up if you love chips. And the Nutella 2 for $5. I know a lot of you really enjoy that. And the Haagen-Dazs on a BOGO free promotion. Check your Fetch Rewards if there's a rebate for Haagen-Dazs. We have the Cheerios for $2.99 and the Oscar Mayer Bacon 2 for $10. And we have the Coca-Cola 3 for $14.99. I would definitely use Walgreens cash. We have the Dial 2 for $8. I'm wondering if there might be some digital coupons on Sunday for that. Wouldn't that be nice? And the final product is the Purell for $2.99. I know there's a dollar IBOTTA rebate, so that would drop it down to $1.99 if you need to get a Purell hand sanitizer. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.